In cognitive bias, for example, physicians must be aware of the error of overconfidence bias as they make diagnoses which could cause them to insufficiently value other doctors' opinions. Likewise, physicians must watch out for confirmation bias, which is a tendency people have to process new information in a way that is heavily influenced by their existing beliefs. The anchoring effect is another bias in thinking whereby people's initial focus on a particular fact or number means that they fail to properly adjust their judgments as new and different information arises. There is also the cognitive error overgeneralization, which is the tendency to jump to a broad conclusion based on a single piece of evidence. People are influenced in differing degrees by these cognitive biases. Study shows that some errors in thinking can be moderated with education. For example, physicians can learn to recognize cognitive biases and so reduce their diagnostic mistakes. But even with effort, none of us will escape cognitive errors altogether. Knowing your brain is biased is critical to making it work better for you and everyone around you. Conformity bias. The conformity bias is a tendency people have to behave like those around them rather than using their own personal judgment. People seem to be more comfortable mimicking others even regarding ethical matters. For example, studies shows that people are more likely to act in a pro-social manner such as contributing to charity or conserving water if they see or hear that others are doing it too. Knowing that those around us are making an ethical choice and indicates it's the social norm and makes it easier for us to follow suit. Unfortunately, the flip side is also true. As psychologist Dan Ariely notes, cheating is contagious. When we see others succeed by cheating, it makes us more likely to cheat as well. Indeed, the conformity bias can cause people to simply follow the herd rather than use their own independent ethical judgment.